Welcome everyone in today's video of quick guide.
How you can download and install Robinhood app in your mobile device. So let's get started. To download and install the app, first you need to open your Play Store. Just open it, and then you can search for the keyword Robinhood in the search bar. Let me search it really quickly, and then you can see the app in the search result. Let me select it. Then simply click on the install button. As you can see, the download process is pending. It may take some time to get installed in your mobile device. You just need to have patience. As you can see, the app has been installed in my mobile device. Let's check it out, the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.